In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Flow credits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see how many credits you have left, so you can plan your work without unexpected interruptions. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Flow. Using the search bar is often quicker than typing a full address, and it helps you land on the most up-to-date entry point. When the results load, scan for the official Google listing. Look for the familiar Google branding and a trusted domain. Avoid lookalike results or promotional links that don't clearly indicate they're part of Google's official ecosystem. Next, click the correct result to open the Google Flow site. The right page should load quickly and present a clean, professional interface. If your browser warns you about an insecure connection, back out and try again from the search results. A proper, secure page will help ensure your account information and credit details are displayed accurately. Once you're on the site, click the button labeled Create with Flow. This action opens the main workspace where usage and credit information are tied to your active session. If you're prompted to sign in, choose the Google account that actually uses Flow. If you work across personal and organizational accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your projects to get the correct credit balance. After signing in, give the page a moment to fully load so the account panel and usage indicators can populate. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. This area typically contains your profile picture or an initial, along with quick access menus. It's also where Google often places account-level indicators, including credit information. If elements seem to be missing, try briefly waiting for background data to finish loading, or refresh the page to nudge the interface. You should see your remaining credit balance displayed next to, or directly beneath, your profile picture or initial. It may appear as a number labeled as credits or balance. If you belong to multiple teams or workspaces, double-check that the correct one is selected in any visible drop-downs, since credits can be scoped to a specific workspace. If the balance isn't visible, you might be in a view that hides it. Switching back to the main workspace or dashboard usually reveals it. That's all there is to it. Search for Google Flow, open the official page, click Create with Flow, and check the top right corner for your remaining credits. Keep this spot in mind and give the page a moment to load each time, and you'll always know where your balance stands before you start your next task.